I'll show you an overview of Oracle Eloqua. The first thing you see when you log into Oracle Eloqua is the My Eloqua dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of what users are doing and what you need to take action on. Now, let's walk through each of the panes. The Overview pane shows the total number of contacts you have access to. It also shows you the number of visitors who have visited your sites within the last 30 days. The Total Database Activity pane shows a breakdown of those page visits in percentages. The New Contacts graph shows the number of contacts added. And the Contacts Web Activity graph shows the number of known visitors who have visited your sites. The New Visitors graph shows the number of anonymous new visitors who have visited your sites. The Campaigns pane gives you a high-level overview of your campaigns. If you click on the pane, you can see which ones have been completed, which ones are running, and which ones are about to start. Beside them, you can see the total number of contacts that have entered your campaign. The Approvals pane only appears if you've enabled campaign approvals. It displays the number of campaigns that need to be approved. And the Activity pane shows you the most recent activities by you and other users. The Recently Accessed pane shows the most recent assets you've been working on. This lets you use the dashboard to quickly get back to what you were doing. The Shortcut pane gives you easy access to Eloqua features you often use. To customize your shortcuts, click the Edit icon. Finally, we have the Cloud menu, which floats on the right side of the My Eloqua dashboard. Click on it to see the Oracle Eloqua App Cloud apps available. Keep in mind that the Cloud menu only appears if you have at least one app installed. At the top of the My Eloqua homepage, there's a navigation bar. This navigation bar is consistent no matter where you go in Eloqua. These options are also available by expanding the left-hand menu, although these elements have some additional text. Let's look at these options in a bit more detail. Note that the options available depend on your organization's configuration and your individual permissions. Clicking the Home icon always brings you back to the My Eloqua dashboard. And there may be a few additional options in this drop-down, such as Operations Center, Audit Log, and Notification Center. Orchestration shows features such as campaigns, programs, and tools. The Assets menu is where you access emails, landing pages, forms, components, email setup, and website setup. Audience includes features related to contacts, accounts, custom objects, segments, and so on. This is also where you configure lead scoring. You can use the Analytics drop-down to access dashboards and insights. Settings lets you control a variety of options related to managing your account and global settings. These options include things like users and security, platform extensions, database setup, and display preferences. And each of these have a variety of sub-options designed to help you configure Eloqua in a way that suits your business and your business's needs. Clicking the Initials shows the logged-in username, the account or environment you're logged into, helpful resources, an option to view and edit your profile information, as well as a logout button. Click the magnifying glass to open a search bar to find any asset in Eloqua. You can narrow down where your search is performed by clicking the downward arrow and selecting the area you'd like your search to be focused on.
I have one more area to show you. When you select most of the orchestration or assets options, you are taken to an overview page. This is where you can get started creating a new asset or open an existing one. You can also access some useful links. The useful links area is broken out into three main areas: what's new, community, and help. What's new takes you to the Oracle Eloqua Release Center, and this is where customers can get the most up-to-date information about our new functionality. Learn directs you to Oracle University, where you can get hands-on practice, learn advanced strategies, techniques, industry best practices, and understand new features. Oracle University allows you to learn about and become certified in Oracle Eloqua, as well as other Oracle marketing products like Responses, Infinity, CrowdTwist, and so on. Connect takes you to our Topliners community, where you can connect and share with other marketing automation enthusiasts. Topliners for Oracle Marketing is a content-rich, engaging, and interactive space to share information, ask questions, and comment about Oracle marketing products and related strategies. Dream takes you directly to the Dream It section of our Topliners community. The Dream It section is where you can submit your ideas on product features with your peers. Plus, you can browse and vote on other existing ideas. Help takes you to the Oracle Eloqua Help Center to access our documentation and learn about Oracle Eloqua features. Now, Sales Tools Help Center brings you to the Sales Tools section of our documentation. This is meant to support the sales effort, much like Oracle Eloqua supports the marketing effort. And lastly, My Oracle Support is where customers can search the knowledge base, learn about products and services, as well as help resolve any issues they may have.
All right, we're done with the Oracle Eloqua overview. Now let's get started creating our simple campaign.